Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap, Erie, local, and long-distance movers near me. At 3 Movers, we understand that every move is unique, so we tailor our services to meet your specific needs. First, we'll assess your requirements and create a personalized moving plan. Our experienced team will arrive at your doorstep on the big day with all the necessary tools and materials. We'll carefully pack and load your belongings onto our reliable trucks, ensuring they're secure for the journey. When it comes to long-distance moves, 3 Movers has got you covered from Erie to wherever your new destination may be. Long-distance moves require a different level of planning and coordination, and we excel at providing a seamless experience. During a long-distance move, we take extra care to ensure the safety of your belongings. Our team will securely pack your items using high-quality materials to protect them during transit. We also offer optional services like furniture disassembly and reassembly to make the process smoother. At 3 Movers, we understand that every move comes with a budget. That's why we provide the best pricing options to suit your needs. Our transparent pricing structure ensures you receive the most valuable time for your money without hidden fees. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Erie moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.